बोलो.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Today I have sitting with my dad. So
Hi.
say hi.
Hi.
So this is my dad. So I didn't explain you last time. So today I'm going to explain with my dad today. Okay?
Okay. So we will both explain this tablet. Okay. So first I will tell you what is the name. So product name is Lenovo Tablet M10 HD, Full HD. Okay. So if you turn back, here it is written as premium metal design. See this. First you see this premium metal design. Okay. Features is premium metal design, powerful octa-core chips, dual speaker is there, 8 MP rear camera, front camera, 8 MP front camera plus 5 MP front camera. Okay, and product name is Lenovo Tablet M10 HD, and my color is platinum gray. It has 2 GB plus 32 GB, and it's Android, and it's Dolby Atmos. So can we open it, Angel? Can you open it? Can you?
Yes. I
Yeah.
can open it.
Yes.
Be careful not to get broke. I'm not broke.
Yeah. Can you remove?
Yeah.
Let me try. Oh, wow! See?
Also, see, Papa, you holded it upside
Yeah.
down.
Oh,
Like
upside
this.
down. Yeah. Lenovo tablets. So can we?
Like
One
this.
second.
Like this.
Yeah. 1 second.
See?
This is tablets. This is white polythene. So we have to remove this. Okay.
I know.
Angel, can you remove?
Yeah. I know.
Don't keep it downside.
Hold
Hold it.
it.
Yeah, I'm holding. You remove. Oh, hold it. Yeah. Oh.
See?
See this.
Whoa.
See this. Here.
See?
Everything is written over here.
And do you want to see this? This is the right.
Yeah.
You know.
Everything is there. So I'm reading for you if you don't know anything. So this is Lenovo tablets. Okay. And it is written over here is premium. It's a premium metal design, powerful octa-core chip, and dual speaker. Plus camera is 8 MP rear camera and plus 5 MP front camera. Okay. So it has a very look camera over here. Metallic body is there. See, camera, back camera. Here is front camera. Okay. So can we turn on?
Yeah.
Can you? Yeah. Can you turn on?
No.
Yeah. This I have bought for my daughter's online classes.
And
Yeah. So we have. Yeah. Lights. Can you do it? Wow! See? Oh, 1 second. It's password. See this tablet.
See, and this is my photo. I was playing with my dad, kitchen like that.
Yeah. See, this is the Lenovo tablets.
See,
It's very smooth. See?
ta-da! See, it was smooth thing. And if you want to do it back,
See, and you can see the camera also.
whoa!
Lots of stuffs are there. 1 second. Let me remove. Lots of stuffs are there.
Now we can do like
1
this.
second. Yeah, this is the camera. So
If we want to take photos, then we can take.
can we click one photo from front camera?
Yeah.
Just 1 second. I'm just opening the camera.
Because
It's opening.
This is too low. I don't know why.
Yeah, it's new now. So can you click button this?
Wait, this is loading.
Oh,
Wait a moment.
1 second.
Wait a moment. See, this
See.
is front camera.
This is the front camera.
You can take a picture.
Okay,
So,
no problem. So this is the Lenovo tablets. Okay, so now I will show you its cover. This Lenovo. See, this is the cover. Lenovo tablet cover. It's very nice. It's not costly. Hardly it's 500 Indian rupees only. It's a black and red color. It's very comfortable. Yeah. You say?
And also I love black and red color.
So can you fit it inside, Angel?
Okay.
Once again. Yeah. We have to do this way. Okay. Hold it from here, Angel. Once again. Yeah. Once again, Angel. See this way. We have to inside
We have
this
to
way.
put this inside.
This way. Down.
We need to put this inside.
This way.
And
Then just have to press over here, four corner. Can you, Angel? Help me, Papa. Press it. Oh.
then
Yeah. So you have to press it from four side. Okay. And then you can close it. Close
and also
and
go like this.
flip. Flip is there. I think it's very nice. It's magnet. It's magnet. है ना Angel? It's magnet, na? So Angel, and you can keep this way also. This way tablet.
Also, another way too. I will show you. See?
This way also.
See?
This way also. This way, or this way also.
See?
Oh, sorry, this way also. Like that.
It's just like in computer.
Yeah, also this way. It's any direction.
Yeah.
It's a very nice cover.
But you need to be careful.
You can take photograph also. So we are using this for the online classes and all purpose, office purpose also sometimes. Sometimes we used to take camera, use the camera,
And also
take the
I,
videos.
and also I play little games in that.
Okay. Okay. I just forgot to show you that there is one charger also there. This tablet charger.
You can open.
No need. Okay. If you want, I can open. But it's just a charger, normal charger.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just showing this friends.
Okay. It is normal charger.
See.
It is normal length. Normal length. Normal Angel? Pakad? This is normal charger. And charging will be completed in the 1 hour. So it's a very good battery. So this is the charger, and also one booklet is also there. One booklet is also there. It is written over there. See, Lenovo Tablet M10 HD Lenovo. Okay, one. So it's a booklet.
Wow, also papers in that.
Yeah, in different languages are also there, and also one more. There is a pin also. Pin to open it.
Wow.
For you can use this pin for the SIM card and the memory card.
Wow.
Okay,
This is so cool.
this is very small pin.
I want to see how it works.
Yeah, you can see it. You can hold it also. No problem, na?
Wow.
Like it?
I didn't remember this.
Yeah.
This is very new.
Yeah.
I have never tried this.
Okay.
First
No
time.
problem. So I'm keeping aside. So friends, I hope we try our best to explain you everything for these Lenovo tablets. This is front. This is way also. See the box all four corners.
Oh.
Lenovo tablets we are using for online classes. And we are using for the online classes also. So, Ankar, you want to tell anything? Tell me.
So this is very easy to play and all. It's so smooth, and I also play some games in that.
Okay.
But I
And
don't know.
Mama watching these some cooking video also, na?
Yes.
Yeah, some serials.
And all.
Cartoon. You also watching cartoon na?
Sometimes I watch
Really na? Cartoon na? Yeah.
I watch cartoons with that like Chota Bheem and all.
Yeah, no problem. So, over. Okay. See you. Bye bye.
Bye. And
She is
also-
my daughter. My daughter name is Angel Kalpesh Panchal and myself is Kalpesh Natulal Panchal. And my channel name is My Sweet Family is 1981. So if you like this video, you can like and subscribe this video. Okay? Till then, bye. Have a nice day.
Bye.
I love my India. Thank you.
Bye.